A Muskegon County man charged with shooting his ex-girlfriend's new boyfriend is the focus of a murder trial that started today.
That trial was delayed by both COVID and a competency examination for Ryan Berry, who police found swimming in Lake Michigan about an hour after that murder.
Here's 13 on your side. Lakeshore reporter John Mills with what happened today in court and the prosecution's first witness.
Well, it's rare for a murder trial to begin with the defense attorney telling jurors that his client is the one who pulled the trigger. But that's exactly what happened inside a circuit courtroom here at the Hall of Justice. Straight out of the gate, Ryan Berry's defense attorney making an unusual request of the jury.
We're going to ask for a conviction.
Andy LaPraise also saying he and Muskegon County Senior Assistant Prosecutor Katie Norton agree on most of the evidence, even the central question. Did Ryan Berry shoot and kill Evan Yonker in August of 2019 at Yonker's Dalton Township home? Both sides say he did. The defense, however, is working to convince the jury it was an impulse shooting, one that deserves a manslaughter conviction.
His state of mind is really the only thing that's important in this whole trial.
Berry is charged with first-degree premeditated murder. In building the state's case, prosecutor Norton called Berry's ex-girlfriend to the stand. She testified about a bad breakup with Berry.
I was as nice as I knew how to be.
Deciding to spend nights at Evan Yonker's home to get away from Berry, and the moment she woke up to find Berry standing over her bed with a knife.
And then he finally said that all three of our lives would be ending that day.
Chelsea Allen testified that Berry waited for about an hour for Yonker to return home from work, spending some of that time loading a shotgun he removed from a gun rack inside Yonker's home.
I heard his boots on the floor and I yelled, "Heaven, don't come in here."
But Yonker entered the bedroom where Allen was being held.
He opened the door and he said, "Why?" As he looked at me, he smiled and Ryan shot him.
Then her testimony about being forced to drive from the home to Grand Haven State Park. Berry got out there saying, "Nice knowing ya."
As soon as his body was out of my car, I was driving away.
Police found Berry swimming away from the beach. At the time, they said it was Berry's attempt to drown himself. And Berry does have prior convictions for unlawfully driving away in a vehicle, second-degree home invasion, and malicious destruction of property. Jurors were told this trial could take all week. In Muskegon County, John Mills, 13 on your side.